Okay, I have been very productive this morning. It is Friday, so it's only a business day, which makes me very excited. I've run to the post office, I've run to UPS, I got coffee. What else did I do? I did something else while I was running around on that part of town. The dogs came with me because they love car rides. And at some point this afternoon, it is getting up into like 50 degrees. So I think I'm going to be able to decorate the outside. It's also not raining today. So it's actually going to be a perfect day. It's already sunny out. I'm really excited about it because I've wanted to decorate the outside of the house for so long. It's either raining, snowing, or frigidly cold. So, only about half of my neighbors have like decorations outside. I think it's just a thing kind of up in the Northeast that it's so damn cold by the time it comes to like decorating that if if you're not there for like that perfect day, it's just not going to happen. You're just not going to decorate. So hopefully I'll be able to do that today. In fact, I will. I am doing that. And then I have a design session with my patrons over on our private Facebook group. I'm really excited about that one because I've been working on a stained glass uh, theme for their kit for December. And some of them have turned out really, really fun and really, really interesting. I also watched a Skillshare class on like how to make um, like the stained glass effect in Procreate, which was great. So I'll link that down below. I really enjoyed that class. So I am going to put all those things to the test today during our design session. So that's pretty much it. I'll bring you along for the ride. I'll show you me decorating outside, if only just a little bit. I don't really know if I have like a good place to put my phone so that you can see me like doing all the decorations, but I'll definitely show you the aftermath at the very least. So I'm gonna get to it. I have orders to do before the live session. So I'll bring you along for some of those orders and let's get to it. Okay, so I've been working on orders all morning. I've been working on the stained glass kit that is coming out for patrons in December. For the public, it is coming out in January 8th, 8th to be specific. So I've been working on all that. I have my live starting soon. I went out and I did the dog poop, which was gross because it has been raining or snowing for the last like 2 weeks. So it was not exactly fun, but I'm gonna work on some more orders than live streaming. I also had to work out with like the water department because my husband is obviously working COVID units and our water meter is broken. So I've been playing phone tag with the city to try to figure out how to fix the water meter. Basically, they're just going to come in through the side door and limit all interaction with the house, and and then they'll go down into our basement. So I have to like leave that area COVID free. So I'm just going to spray the crap out of it with Lysol and hope everything is fine. They're also going to wear N95 masks. It was really sad because when I called them and I was trying to explain about the COVID situation, they called me back and they were like, well, thank you for telling us. People don't usually care about us. So I feel so bad. I really wish people gave more of a crap about others. Even with my delivery driver for IKEA, I was like, can you please leave it on the porch? You know, I'll talk to you through the screen door. If you need me to sign anything, I'll sign anything. But, you know, there's potential COVID exposure here because of my husband's job. So, you know, I don't want to put that on anyone. Like, it is a terrifying experience, and all these poor essential workers, I feel terrible. So if I have any advice to you, if you're interacting with anyone and you know that there's a potential COVID exposure, just be frank with them. They really appreciate it. They had to like go talk to the commissioner and make sure that someone could come inside my home. But you know, I'm not going to not disclose that information. This is a very serious issue and people are obviously not taking it as seriously as they should. So I want to let you all know my experience, because people that are out in the field and, you know, risking exposure, just be upfront with them, you know, let them have the choice of if they're gonna be exposed or not, because it's a really serious thing. So that's all I gotta say, but I'm gonna get ready for my live stream now, and yeah, that's it. So I want to show you what we did during the live stream. Hold. Okay, so this is very like florally and like seasonsy. What is happening? Okay, so it is a stained glass set. So we have these floral like pond flowers. We have some compass vibes. We have this rainy like vine door window stained glass situation. We have a hummingbird. There's going to be some like butterflies and bees. And then we're definitely doing like seasons kind of focus. So we have like the sunrise and sunsets, as well as this compass with the 4 seasons around it. So lots of fun, different vibes that, like, I don't know, my patrons are giving me tons of inspiration. So they've been super great for this, and I'm really excited about everything we are putting together. So that's what happened with the live stream, and now I'm going to go work on Christmas. Okay, so here is the mostly finished product for the Christmas lights. I'm trying to keep my car license plate not showing. So I got these lights, these big old lights that stick in the ground. Those are from Costco. And then all the other lights are from Walmart. So I have them around our garage and then coming up and over the door. The problem is that I can't have garland around the door because we don't really have anything to like attach it to. Like I would need to put like screw in some like J hooks or whatever to get all the garland around. So I just have the garland around our handrail going up here. I know I need to get rid of the pumpkins. And then I did have a string of lights going up and around here, but it looked weird. So I think I'm gonna put a wreath with some lights in over here, and then I think I'm gonna put lights in on the inside in those windows. So that's a work in progress on the outside of the house, and it'll look much better when there's not also pumpkins. So that's what I've got so far. As always, we have stuff going on in the background, so let's go ahead and open up day 12. That is literally attacking my finger. Oh my goodness. Can I get it out this way? Okay. Okay. Let's open it up. I want to say Hagrid, maybe? I know that there's a Hagrid from the front of the box. Big gun. Not Hagrid. Oh, it's another Harry. Oh, Harry with the invisibility cloak? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because he's in his pajamas. Hello, Harry.